Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we got the I got my welder, my quarter panel on the Mustang. Today right now it's just I'm gonna do a complete time lapse, but that's the new quarter panel that I got for the Mustang. Different color, as you can tell. See, it's slightly darker red, it's a little bit lighter red. It's just a mock-up right now at the moment, but the things that I salvaged from the previous Mustang, I don't know if you guys seen my previous video, but I took off the seats, I took off the trunk, took off the rear bumper. It's a little bit better. Tail lights, got the slotted rotors. Gonna do a little bit of cleaning on those. Some sensors, some master flow sensors, and door dash panels, intake, etc., miscellaneous parts. But other than that, she still turns on, runs and drives. So before I forget, there's like obviously a door lock or whatever you want to call this. Pretty much latches to, or door latch, I guess you can call it. So this latches to your door. See how she's turning out? Complete mock-up right now. It's I drew a line on where I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut next on the actual car, and right now it's just a complete mock-up on how it looks. I'm liking how it's coming out. I mean, obviously it's not the final product, but you see how you'll get the idea. That's how it's pretty much it. And then the next video, I'm gonna be completely making sure everything aligns, making sure that the tail light aligns, all this, and then break out that bad boy and see if we start welding. That'll be all for today, guys. So before I end this video, I'm just gonna be bringing in my GTR. A little cold start on the GTR, sounds like. Yeah, other than that, see how she sounds.